I'm gonna go ahead and update this. One of the things I think is really useful, by the way, is looking at this percentage from bullish top and bearish top. Super important to buy here and sell here. Super, super important. I think this is honestly probably going to be one of the. What I love about the way that I built this tool is that it's actually super easy to use, and not only that, it's intuitive once you have a way to indicate you to what to be looking at. I'm just going to show you what I mean. Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and update today. Let's do the SPY. Let's see what the SPY looked like. Today was an interesting day in the market. Everything was essentially down. The only thing that wasn't was the Qs, which if you look at the comment from last week, it was the best thing to buy. Let's see. Yeah, we were down here too. Interesting. The Qs, oh yeah, I already updated. No, I didn't. Look at the Qs. Qs had a good day. I mean, good is relative. Everything else was down. So on a relative performance basis, today was a great day for the Qs. Look at the Dow. Very curious to see what this is going to look like. I think if we're going to get anything, it's going to be a pullback into some sort of larger catalyst. Let's see what the next thing is. RSP. Equal weighted. It's fantastic. RSP was down slightly. RSP was down slightly. Do not like to see that. See small caps. Small caps were down slightly. It's not a bad pullback though. Top of the range went higher. Top of the range went higher. I appreciate that for small caps. Look, IWO. IWO came into range today. It cleared out. Yeah, I like where IWO is. This is a very good buy. Probably going into the end of the week. I think that's a very good buy going into the end of the week. Let's look at IWN. What I love about small caps is that they have so much the universe. I mean, I'm no offense to the Mag 7 or whatever. I am so sick and tired. Yeah, we do have a higher high. I am so sick and tired of just trading the same names. And I love that we're getting some expansion. Let's see what happened. I did not look at the market at all today. Let's look. Okay, 41.15. I wonder if the dollar fell today. Did not pay attention. Let's see. EMXC. EMXC. That is, yeah, down a little bit, but in the top of the range. Ooh, top of the range came down a little bit. Do not like that. Love to see the range go higher. UUP. Let's see. Yeah, UUP was up a little bit. Okay, now today's making sense. Yeah, you got a higher high on the top of the range too. Oof. I do not like that look. Where are we? I'm just going to take all of those out. I'm going to delete everything. I should do that to begin with, just for the higher highs, because they don't. Sometimes there's nothing there, so it won't overwrite. It's blank. Interesting. TLT got smoked today. Even more impressive that gold is up. Even more impressive, that got absolutely smoked today. IEF. Let's see. IEF. Also another not great day. Also another not great day for bonds. Let's look at SHY. SHY is very interesting. That's very interesting. Wow, you got cooked today too. Absolutely cooked today too. Let's see. FXI, great day. Great day. Don't know what happened, but it was a great day for FXI. Top of the range is up. Whew, oil. Just on a historic run right now. Just like Antonio Brown. Just on a historic run. Yeah, top of the range, 80 bucks. You gotta love to see it. Love to see it, especially if you're long oil. I am not particularly long oil, but I can appreciate oil. Ooh, look at the bottom range go from 43.83 to, oh, I lost it. Okay, let's go. Okay. I apologize if these videos can be somewhat grueling as I just kind of like talk my way through them, but I find it interesting to go through it at the end of the day. It's one of the reasons I built this for myself is so that I could just have a look at the end of the day without having to watch it. I think the worst part of a trader's life, especially somebody who's not like actively doing this for a career, is that you end up spending so much time just looking at charts, which I've done when I was younger when my time was less valuable. But now, like, this is a way better use of my time than it is just staring at charts all day. And I'd rather be good at the thing that makes me money. Because I'm really good at that. Because as you can tell, I can just randomly develop something even though I don't know the language. Um, Yikes! So interesting what's happening with that. I should probably change it to like IBIT. I think IBIT might be better. I don't know if it'll. I don't know if I have enough data just yet. Or is it or Byto? Let's check that. Do I have enough data? Yeah, we got enough data here at least on. Hmm, that's good. I won't necessarily. I won't change it. I'm still going to keep working with these specific ones, but I do think it's useful to just be open. Yeah, ETH, you are getting. I mean, you improved. You slightly improved. Things didn't look great for you. Let's look at Apple. What's going on here? Lower high. I mean, I know I don't know who needs to hear it, but like Apple's bearish. Apple's been bearish, and if you're on the Apple train, it's just whipsawing at best, and it's going down at worst. But Amazon, on the other hand, Amazon is a winning ticket. That is a winning ticket. Look at the top of the range go up from 181.99 to 182.55. Look at that, just a winning ticket all over the place. Volatility is expanding. What do we got here in Salesforce? Salesforce has just been meandering around that 300 level. Has not moved in a while. I do like to see that it went bullish today. Salesforce going bullish today is positive for the overall market. That is good for tech. That is good for tech because if Salesforce is bullish, that shows it's like a weird version of like breath indicator of if Salesforce is doing well for like uh, multi-billion-dollar growth stocks, which Salesforce is supposed to be one. They're just not doing it. Let's see. The top of the range, I do not like to see that the top of the range in NVIDIA has come down a ton. Be cautious or at least be smart. Yeah, at least be smart about the gains, about any gains, truly, because it's just it's showing you something different if you're not paying attention. Uh, Microsoft or Meta, on the other hand, Meta very happy that it was down on Friday. That was the best opportunity in the entire market. Honestly, buying Meta on Friday, I bought a little bit. Or on Thursday, I was so excited. I sold like things like IWO to buy more Meta. I was like, yeah, anything under $500. Google continues just to be a strong new performer in the mega cap tech. It's gone from bearish to bullish in a very nice fashion. Let's look at Microsoft. I wonder how Microsoft's day was. Just a healthy day. Nothing to write home about, but you can see that flip to bullish, which is huge. And that's what I said last week. I figured that the bearishness would disappear, and it officially is. It officially is. The top of the range is coming up. The top of the range went up. Yeah, top of the range went up. Bottom of the range came up. I like what I saw right there, Microsoft. Microsoft is a good one. That's really good. A confirmation of the change is huge, I'd say. I'd say look at Tesla here. Tesla's really interesting because if we look, Tesla, I mean, if you watch any of my previous videos, I'm sure on my channel there's other videos specific to me talking about Tesla and how it's just like, it's essentially the thing you want to be shorting right now. I don't wish anything bad upon anyone there. I love the company. I love the products. I think it's true innovation. It's just currently they're not being rewarded in the market for whatever reason. Same as Apple. Look at that. UNH. Just continue, just to still bearish. Just not the thing you want to be. Just be careful. Let's look at XLB. XLB, good day. Not at like a great day, but like decent day. You held the line. You held the line. So the top of your range go up, which is always important. It's more important about how the range goes than it is about the actual price, in all honesty. If you want to like actually follow things for the long term, it's more important about what the averages are doing than it is even about the specific thing. Sometimes, oof, XLC is getting a ripper from from Meta. Let's look at oil. Oil continues to have just that higher bid. Yeah, tons of volume today. 21 million shares in an oil ETF. You realize how crazy that is? $97 at the top of the range. Loving that look, especially considering you're at 95. Pullback should be bought. Let's look at banking. Banking looks great. Pullbacks, but still good. I mean, what I love, it's just all higher highs. It's all higher highs. There is there's nothing to convince you that this is not an incredibly bullish market. I mean, yeah, that's nice. It's nice that XLI came back a little bit. Let's look at XLK because I did think, as you can see based on the note, I did think that this is the best absolute buy on the market. And it didn't have like an amazing day, but it had a decent day. You know, it had a day. I still think it's the best move. You can see here. What we're gonna do is go ahead and look. We have XME. Let's go ahead. We can see here. That's not too bad. Yeah, I kind of like where that's at. The higher low went away, but that's fine. I can see some consolidation happening. Gold, like the metals have been moving, and I'm just shocked by it considering what the yields have been doing. But why not? Let's look. Oh yeah, that's fantastic. XLP. XLP. The only problem I would say is that you saw a reduction. You saw a price decline with high volume, but at the same time, that's not even concerning. Higher high, higher low. Things look great. We got XLU. XLU higher high. People are saying that this somehow like XLU is the AI trade because we need more energy. I'm like, wow, if we're at that level of AI already, why do I still have to like pick things up? Why do I have to walk my dog? Why do I even write emails? You know what I mean? I'm just, if you're already thinking about the energy consumption of AI, I mean, I get it. There are going to be very niche, nuanced cases, but good Lord. Let's look here. XLY. It's actually really interesting because you'd expect that to do well, but it's just like consumer discretionary. But like now people want to invest in like the high end stuff. When expansion comes, people, this is when like premium goods get back into fashion. This is when you want to start buying rich people stuff. Let's see. Yeah, XLV. Overall, if we look, let's just take a quick scan. So again, if we look at the top three indexes, we definitely want to be buying the Q still. If we look at the like equal weighted and if we want to look at the equal weighted and the small cap, we probably want to be going into we still want to be going into XOO X or small cap growth IWO. That's still going to be the best thing. We're going to be looking between these two in terms of the emerging markets. We want to buy ex China preferred. The dollar still, I mean, you could expect just chop it sideways. We'd love to see the down move here, but not going to see it yet. Bonds, they're all bad. You're going to short this one, SHY. It's the closest to the top of its range, but that range is so small. We're going to look here. Yeah, China is way up there. Oil's way up there. Silver's way up there. Gold. No, yeah, gold. Look at that. Gold, oil, it's all the same thing. Don't even worry about that. Oh, that's because I have the exact same. Which one do I have wrong? Which one do I have wrong? I have one of them wrong. Gold can't be at that price. It's got to be at a different price. See, this is what's good about me recording it so I can see when I screw up. Oh yeah, gold's in a great place. Let's see. This is the oil K. No. No, yeah, it is. And then USO. So I accidentally wrote over USO. That's good to know. See, this is the more you know. The more you know. This is why you pay attention. Very good. Yeah, still gonna be long gold. Yeah, over everything. CRM is the best. XOK is the best. XLP is really good. There's some great buys out there. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Talk to you soon.